Hey viewers, welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods. These nutrient-dense powerhouses can supercharge your diet and boost your health. So, let's get started with the top 5 superfoods for a healthy lifestyle. Blueberries. First on our list is blueberries. These little berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They help fight inflammation, boost brain health, and support heart health. Add them to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a delicious and nutritious boost. Cut to shots of blueberries being added to a smoothie, yogurt, and oatmeal. Next up, we have kale. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and fiber. Kale supports bone health, aids digestion, and has antioxidant properties. Enjoy it in salads, smoothies, or as baked kale chips. Cut to shots of kale salads, kale being added to a smoothie, and kale chips. Number 3 is salmon. It's an excellent source of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Grill, bake, or pan-sear salmon for a tasty and healthy meal. Cut to shots of grilled, baked, and pan-seared salmon dishes. Fourth on our list is quinoa. This whole grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in fiber, magnesium, and iron. Use quinoa as a base for salads, bowls, or as a side dish. Cut to shots of quinoa salads, bowls, and side dishes. Number 5, we have avocado. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Avocado supports heart health, improves digestion, and keeps you full longer. Spread it on toast, add it to salads, or blend it into smoothies. Cut to shots of avocado toast, avocado in salads, and avocado smoothies. There you have it, the top 5 superfoods for a healthy lifestyle. Incorporating these nutrient-packed foods into your diet can help you feel your best and support overall health. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to FitLife Fusion, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.